Hello everyone! Welcome to the English Speaking Practice channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today I have a short and interesting English story for you. After the story, I'll ask you some questions, so listen carefully. And at the end, tell me in the comments, how many answers did you get right? Let's get started. Emma was walking home from school when she heard a small noise. She stopped and looked around. Under a tree, she saw a little brown puppy. The puppy was alone and looked scared. Emma slowly walked towards the puppy. "Are you lost?" she asked softly. The puppy wagged its tail but did not move. Emma looked around, but there was no one nearby. She carefully picked up the puppy and took it home. Her mother smiled and said, "We need to find its owner." They gave the puppy some food and water. The next morning, Emma and her mother made posters and put them around the neighborhood. In the afternoon, a boy named Jack knocked on their door. "That's my puppy, Max," he said happily. Emma gave Max back to Jack. "Thank you so much," Jack said. Emma felt happy. She knew she had done the right thing. Now it's time for the quiz. I will ask you some questions about the story. Try to answer before I give you the correct answer. Let's go. Question 1. What did Emma hear when she was walking home? A. A cat meowing. B. A puppy crying. C. A bird singing. Answer B. A puppy crying. Question 2. Where did Emma find the puppy? A. In a park. B. Under a tree. C. Near a shop. Answer B. Under a tree. Question 3. What did Emma do after taking the puppy home? A. She kept it forever. She gave it a bath. C. She and her mother made posters. Answer C. She and her mother made posters. Question 4. Who was the real owner of the puppy? A. A girl named Sarah. B. A boy named Jack. C. Emma's neighbor. Answer B. A boy named Jack. Question 5. How did Emma feel at the end of the story? A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Angry. Answer A. Happy. Great job, everyone! How many answers did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English stories. See you in the next lesson. Bye!